more powerful and more attractive than ever. Isuzu Mu-X, the elegant and capable sports utility vehicle, exclusively designed to deliver the ultimate driving experience to stimulate your adventurous spirit.
Is a concept which comes in common with the all-new Isuzu D-Max. It represents the Isuzu identity of durability, reliability, fuel efficiency, off-road ability, ecology, and safety. Exclusive is the concept unique for all-new Isuzu Mu-X, which is represented by its excellent design, pleasure of ownership that builds up the attractiveness of an SUV.
Now you can go out and explore the world with an added level of confidence. Just grab the wheel and let your heart take you wherever you desire.
Was emotional and solid, which is represented by the robust and luxurious taste of the all-new Isuzu Mu-X design. What we aim to offer is the pleasure and pride of ownership and the enthusiasm to spur the driver to endless horizons.
The upper body expresses the feeling of exciting acceleration through its distinct character line front to rear, while the lower body's solid statement represents strength and self-confidence. Every detail is all about achieving perfection, from the combination of premium materials to the contrast, texture, and color that create a whole new level of elegance. Frontal design reflects a sense of innovation, from Isuzu's World Crossflow front grille and eye-catching bi-LED headlamps with arrow signature. With the connection of the character line from the front to rear all the way to the 3D lighting of the winglet signature LED tail lamps. Its new 20-inch alloy wheels deliver a bold and dynamic design to generate a striking appearance in every movement. This is a true masterpiece of design that will drive your satisfaction to the fullest. Besides the expressive exterior, Isuzu Mu-X also comes with a wide range of innovative technologies to fill your comfort and convenience needs on any trip. Protect yourself from harmful rays with infrared and UV-cut windshield. Rain-sensing wipers help detect liquid and clean the windshield when needed. With various advanced features such as Welcome Light, Walkaway Auto Lock, Follow Me Home, and Auto Light On-Off to add up to more convenience even when you're not in the car. Elevate your journey to the higher level of smart driving experience anywhere, anytime. Fine, rich, and impressive craftsmanship is the core value behind every impeccable detail to please the eyes, the touch, and the senses. The wide and spacious cabin provides the driver and passengers with comfort and convenience. Installed insulators and deadeners in various parts of the car reduce noise from both engine and wind. The bolster seats are sophisticatedly designed with premium materials from surface to stitches. The 8-way adjustable driver's power seat comes with lumbar support. The multifunctional steering wheel provides a firm grip with tilt and telescopic function to suit the driver's individual posture. The large and clear multi-information display provides all necessary information. Drive, relax, and let the luxurious comfort from Isuzu Mu-X embrace you throughout the journey. Experience peace of mind on every journey with the latest advanced driver assist system. Safety technologies from Isuzu Mu-X, which features advanced 3D imaging, smart duo camera, receiving a 5-star safety rating from the ASEAN NCAP. Forward collision warning alerts the driver if front obstacles are detected, with autonomous emergency braking, which will automatically brake the vehicle if there's no driver's intervention. Turn assist will automatically brake the vehicle if obstacles are detected coming towards you while turning. Misacceleration mitigation system helps prevent front collision caused by accidentally stepping on the accelerator pedal by automatically cutting off the engine when detecting front obstacles within 4 meters. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go will automatically adapt your speed to the same level with the vehicle in front, with stop and go function allowing automatic complete stop and continue. Lane departure warning alerts the driver when the vehicle appears to be crossing lanes unintentionally. Blind spot monitoring alerts the driver when there are vehicles or detectable objects in the blind spot area. Multi-collision brake automatically stops the vehicle from moving after a collision to reduce the risk of multiple collisions. Automatic high beam automatically switches from high to low beam when detecting preceding or oncoming vehicles. Moreover, Isuzu MU-X also comes with a wide array of standard safety features and improvements on driving technologies so that you can go every way to anywhere with more confidence. With performance that claims for stable and smooth ride quality, Isuzu MU-X elevates your adventurous spirit to the next level, enabling greater stability and balance in all road conditions. The world-renowned Isuzu 3-liter diesel engine boasts a powerful performance and a fun-to-drive spirit that gets you ready for any journey, whether it's a city commute or an outdoor adventure. Also, the enhanced 1.9-liter diesel engine delivers responsive power with quick acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. 6-speed transmission delivers quick and smooth shifting and transfers power consistently at all speed ranges for maximum sporty driving performance. 4x4 shift on the fly enables a quick switch between 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive, with rough terrain mode enhancing driving performance in rough or slippery road conditions by delivering more traction and power to all wheels for a real off-road experience. As well as going tough on land, Isuzu MU-X can easily wade through streams or rivers with a wading depth of 800 millimeters. All-new Isuzu MU-X. Take the lead.